We are going to be going over referrals inside of Command today, and I need second. I need Sam to sign on because I sent her a request for a referral so we can show you guys back and forth how it would work. But we're gonna go in. We'll start off. We'll see Sam hop on in a moment here. I'm gonna share my screen. Yes. Where are we? Where did my screen go? Hold on. I must have. Try this now. There we go. Okay. So inside, I'm already at agent.kw.com and I've logged in. So this is my dashboard. As we can see, my dashboard looks a little bit different than everybody else's, or it looks similar. You can customize this. I'm going to go into my referrals. And Sam, I sent you a request yesterday. If you can verify or go through with that for me. So I sent a request to Sam to be part of my referral network. And what I did
just accepted it.
Oh, perfect. So what I did is I went into my network up here at the top. And these are all people that I started a long time ago to add into my network. And the way I did that is I went into my network and I clicked on Grow My Network right here. And I can search all over the country for anybody that I need in the specific area. So let's say I'm from Michigan, so I searched a lot in Michigan to add people. I'm going to actually zoom in so it doesn't go crazy on me. So I'm going to zoom into, that's Indianapolis. There we go. I'm going to zoom into my old hometown area. And this is a Google Maps, basically. So I'm just going to zoom in. And it's going to start searching for agents in the area. And now all these numbers have popped up. And right now it says it's going through by production. This is how much production is happening. So if I have 38, that means there are about 38 listings going on in that area as it's zoomed in more, and it shows me the agents who are doing that. But I like to go by Market Center. So I'll click on Market Center. And it's showing me one now. So I can click on that, and it's going to show all of the agents for that Market Center in here. And I can send a request through any of these. And to do that, let's say I'm going to send a request to Chris. I'm going to click this plus with the person on it. I can put in a message. Hi, so on and so forth. And then I'm going to send the invitation. I sometimes send them without an invitation, so I'm just going to send an invitation. And up here it says an invitation to Chris was successfully sent. Send a referral to this agent now. So I'm not going to send a referral. I'm going to actually send a referral to Sam. So that's how to grow your network. And you can do that while you are sitting at home. Right now is a perfect time to grow your network because most of us are at home. But I'm going to request a referral. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Or I'm going to send a referral to Sam. So I'm going to click New Referral. And I'm going to, now Sam's going to show up in my search because she's part of my network. So I'm going to click on there. I'm going to send a referral to Sam. It's going to say a 25% referral fee. I can move this up or I can move this back. I can choose if it's, so right now it's on a buyer, seller, tenant, or a landlord. And I'm going to say it's a buyer. Oh, that's a good question. Is it KW offices or can you search? This is just for KW offices. Yep. Accept or decline deadline, 24 hours. I'm going to leave that there. But once again, I could change that to more, to 96 hours. I'm going to put it back 24. Oh, now I went to 22. 24. Minimum price, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 10 million, nope, a million. Max price, let's say, 1.5. Notes. I can add a note up in here to up to 3,000 characters, so that's a pretty long note. So I'm going to select a client from my database, or I can create a new one. So if I select from my database, I'm going to be choosing someone from within my database already. So I'm going to choose my sister. I'm going to say she's pre-approved, pre-qualified. Her current address is in Michigan. I'm just gonna desired location. I'm gonna say Lakewood Ranch. Transaction timeline. So then I can save changes and send. And if I want to create a new contact, I can click on create new contact. I'm going to fill out the same information, and it's going to add the contact into my database and send it out. So I'm just going to search again. And I'm going to save changes and send. All right, so now it says referrals successfully sent. And up here on the dashboard, it says that I have one pending referral that went out, or one pending referral. I can click on it and see which ones I have. So sent, I have one in here. It has my countdown clock going as to how much time Sam has left to accept it. I can set an update on the referral. And if I had a received one, it would show up in here. So, let's see, I'm gonna go back. Sam, can you go ahead and accept that referral from me? And up here, it says I should have one sent out, one received. You will see, that when we can send a broadcast referral too. That's when we send a referral. So let's say, where was that? I saw it. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. Oh, there it is. So broadcast referral up here at the top. If I'm clicking on a map, it's not going to go active until there are less than 50 agents on here. So let's say I'm going to move back to production. And I'm going to keep zooming in. So, okay, so now my broadcast referral, and that means you're just going to broadcast a referral to these 47 agents. You don't have a specific person it's going to. You can either show your identity by clicking this, or you can hide it by unchecking that box. I'm not sure why you'd want to hide your identity. If you guys know, please let me know. And then it would just go out. I guess I really don't know. And then you're going to fill it out just like you would before, and then you send a broadcast, and someone will receive it. And they will check that I will take this one. That's more of like a first come, first serve basis. All right, so now we have the pending is off to 0 because Sam has accepted it. I'm going to click on active. And it shows that I have an active referral in here. And now I can send updates. I can write a message in here with updates on what's going on. Then I can send the update to Sam. Great stuff. Send an update. And then now, Sam, can you send me a referral? I want to show them what it looks like when we get one in here. So you have 64 pending invites that I sent out to people around the country, mostly in Michigan. It's fun to grow your network. We have an agent in our office who has over 20,000 people in their referral network. So he wants a way to be able to advertise his listings to them, which we're hoping Command will bring about one day, just to be able to advertise in your referral network. Let's see what else. So if I click on my referrals up here, this brings us back into this menu. So we have a 0 pending, 1 active, 0 funded, 0 lost, 1 expired. I'll show you the expired one. Oh, I don't want to talk about that. That was a bad experience. 1 rejected. 1 received. Here we go. So this is a pending one right here. I'm going to go into pending. This is not right. Pending. That. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Remember, live technology. We'll click on pending referrals. Here we are. I received 1. And it's giving me 23 hours, 59 minutes, giving me the information I need here. And Jerry Command is this person. I'm going to accept. You can also reject and counter, but I'm going to accept. And I'm going to say thanks. Accept it. And now it's going to take me directly to a create opportunity screen, where once I fill this information in, just like I would on creating an opportunity, I'll click create, and then Sam will be able to track what's happening inside of this referral now, because it was sent through this screen. So I'm just going to click create. Oh. Second. Perfect. So the opportunity was created. Go to my opportunities. I think it's up. I should have paid attention on where I put it. That's my fault. I'm sorry. It's somewhere in here, I promise. I don't. Oh, you know what I can do though, is I can go back and I can look at all opportunities. I can look up.
Yeah, that one's it.
Okay, perfect. So because I was silly and I did not look to see where I was saving it, I just searched it in all opportunities. Oh, how much can a referring agency just notes? That's a good question. This, I think it's going to create. Yeah, they aren't going to see a lot. It will be notes. It'll be like they'll see the pipeline of where it is in the progress, so they can know when money's coming in. It won't be the specifics of negotiations or anything like that. It'll just be a basic, this is where this is where that is, you should be getting a check soon. But that's how we use the referrals tab. Do we have any questions? Okay. So if we have any questions later on, please feel free to email either Samantha or myself. Be happy to help. If there's anything else, have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow at 8:10 a.m. Have a good day, everybody. If my mouse works. Come on, mouse.